In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the super admin in Zoho CRM. This process is crucial for organizations when there's a transition in leadership or if there's a need to reassign responsibilities within your team. Let's get started and guide you through this step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account. Begin by navigating to the Zoho CRM homepage. Once you're logged in and on the landing page, look for the Setup icon typically found on the top menu bar. This is the gateway to accessing administrative settings in your CRM. Go ahead and click on that Setup icon, which will direct you to a screen filled with various options that are essential for managing and customizing your CRM system. Once you're in the Setup area, look for the Company Settings option. This is where you can manage all aspects related to your organization's details within Zoho. By selecting Company Settings, you will be able to oversee and adjust various configurations affecting your entire CRM environment. So, click on the Company Settings to proceed to the next step. At this point, you should be on a page titled Company Details. To adjust the admin settings, you'll need to click on the pencil icon or Edit option next to the Company Details. This icon signifies the tool required for making changes to your existing configurations. Clicking on this will allow you to modify the company's settings, including the all-important Super Admin role. With the Edit mode activated, start by locating the current Super Admin of the account. The Super Admin is indicated clearly under the User Details section. It's crucial to identify the right person currently holding this role to ensure you're making changes to the correct account. After identifying the current Super Admin, it's time to choose a new one. You'll find an option or drop-down menu to select a new individual from your existing users within the CRM. Make your selection carefully, ensuring this person has the trust and capability to manage all the administrative permissions that come with this role. This part of the process is vital, as the super admin has access to all areas of the CRM, including the ability to make critical changes. Finally, after you have chosen your new super admin, it's important not to forget this last step. Click on the Save button. This will confirm and implement your changes. Saving your changes ensures that the new super admin is established and that your organization's CRM management is uninterrupted and secure. That's it! You've successfully changed the super admin in your Zoho CRM. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.